Hey guys, welcome on in. It is New Year's Day. As you can tell, we're here in our comfy clothes. Just enjoying. Happy 2024, guys. 2023 was amazing. The growth we had was amazing. And I told you guys if we hit 300 subscribers that we would do an audio splitting Vod for Twitch. So here we are. What we're going to show you today on our video, guys, is not only how to split audio, but to set up a Twitch Vod so it doesn't record either music or any audio you don't want to take capture in your Twitch Vod. So that way you don't have to install any third-party applications like Split Broadcaster or any of those third-party softwares that you won't need. Trust me, OBS has everything you need to split audio from a Vod and Twitch. Just come with me and we'll figure it out. All right, here we go. Alright guys, welcome back. As you can see, I was having a bit of a rough night there. If you're looking at that Udi and you're like, that looks so comfortable and warm. It is, first off. It's a blanket and a hoodie all in one. How couldn't it be comfortable? Well guys, if you want one yourself, check the description below for up to $30 off your own Udi. They are so comfortable, guys. We have about 5 of them in the house now. Yeah, we're really enjoying them. Alright guys, this is actually transitioning off into a new cut because this is attempt 3. We actually recorded it the first time. We forgot to turn our mic on. Pretty funny, yeah, I know you guys can laugh, haha. Second time, we had left an image up. See this image? Yeah, so the whole time when we were going through, we were trying to tell you guys how to modify the audio. Look at these screens. You see this? Yeah, no, you don't. So we recorded the whole video and then realized that image was in the way the whole time. So we're just gonna give it to you basic, just to bring you guys the information as quick as possible. And we're gonna start it off like this. So no videos really tell you this, but you're gonna want to immediately go in here, guys. Go into your audio. I always add an audio input capture and your mic. So like your mic and your desktop audio, I always add that right into your main scene right away. But you're gonna want to go into your desktop audio because, as you guys can tell, see, beautiful music. You're gonna want to immediately make that monitor only so that it goes to you. If you have a desktop audio, if you're gonna be using a secondary desktop audio, recommend that right away. Do that, or it's gonna double. It's gonna double because I guarantee in your scenes you already have an audio output of some sort. So please go into that audio output, either mute it or remove it altogether. Because when you start live, you're gonna get double audio, and if you do a starting screen like I did, it'll be 10 minutes of just 2 songs screaming at people. So just from one streamer to another, guys, don't forget to do that. The rest is pretty easy, guys. So what we're gonna do today is I'm just gonna show you a quick tutorial on how OBS allows you to split audio. You don't have to download any of those split broadcasters. You don't have to get any audio mixers for this kind of thing. You literally just need this video, in about 2 minutes of your time. So we have our main scene set up, guys, just for YouTube. And I went ahead and I just created. So what I did is we'll restart here. So I'll just remove this scene altogether. And what we did is we added a scene. So we'll call it, I always call it audio control whenever I add a scene. And it brings us over here, which we're going to immediately add our mic. So that way you guys can, so actually what I'll do, just to make it easier, I'll copy the mic right here. And so we're going to do audio control. Paste our mic in there so you guys can still hear us. See the settings here? In these settings, you're going to want to go into your output. You're going to want to enable custom encoder settings. After that appears, you're going to want to checkmark the Twitch Vod track uses track 2. This will allow you to enable the Twitch Vod on track 2 only, meaning you have full control over what sends audio to your Twitch Vod. So that's literally all you do. Once you're done that, guys, you're going to want to hit apply. You're going to want to hit OK. Then what we're going to want to do is we're going to come over to our audio scene that we created. Our beautiful audio scene. Looks exactly like the other scene that we had. And we'll start adding anything that captures audio. So for example, one of the first ones I always do actually is Discord, because not a lot of people want to capture their Discord audio. And you'll find Discord in here, for example. There's my Discord audio. And anybody that was to join my Discord now would be captured through that Discord audio. I will then go over here. If I don't want it to play on my Twitch Vod, go into advanced audio properties. See where it says Discord here at the bottom? Remove that from track 2. Boom. Twitch Vod will never hear my Discord. You guys will on stream, but Twitch Vod will never record it. Ever, ever. Really great way too, if you're playing Rocksmith, which we were quite a bit, is we had to add our Rocksmith game in here because it was copywriting almost every sound that we played. So anything you do, just go ahead, add in here, guys. If you really enjoyed this video and want to like and subscribe, guys, it really helps the channel go a long way. That's it. That's really all we had for you today. So just a quick rundown of what we did today, guys. We opened up OBS. We had a main scene. We added our inputs for our mic so you could hear us today while we were talking. We created a new scene for the audio control. After you created your new audio control scene, we went to settings. We went to output. We enabled the enable custom encoder settings, the Twitch Vod track 2, so that way we control it. And then what you're going to want to do, last thing, guys, add your scene. Audio control. Boom. All the audio would add itself. It'll control itself here, and it won't record to your Twitch Vod too. So with that said, guys, I hope it helps you, and have a wonderful day. Happy New Year's, guys. Again, if you like it, subscribe, hit the bell. Love you guys. Peace.